Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your background image if you want to make it either fit, fill, center, stretch, tile, or span different wallpapers. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up and select personalization on the left side. Over on the right side, you want to go ahead and select background. And if you scroll down, actually it looks like we scrolled down a little bit too far here, and I accidentally selected solid color. I'm just going to change it back to picture here. Where it says choose a fit for your desktop image, click on the drop down. If you want to set it to fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span, you can do that. So pretty straightforward process. So basically just a little bit of information here. Center would just center your wallpaper on the screen. So if we want to do an example of what some of these options look like, let me pick my profile picture actually. And if I right click on it and I set it as my desktop background, you can see it appears back here. And if you want to select where it says choose a fit for your desktop image, if you click the drop down, we have it set to stretch. You could do fit as well. And it looks like I accidentally reverted back, but this is what a fit would look like. This is what a fill would look like, just to give you guys an idea. And we can see what a tile view looks like too. So you can see it overlaps a bit on the next wallpaper here. And we can select center. So we just wanted to center it. And then finally, if we wanted to have it span. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.